Look at this beautiful thing. Crazy. We're on the balcony. Night outside. And we have a sauna on the balcony. Wow. This is amazing. Let me go in. I'm standing up. Pretty high. This is very hot. Can always take a little bit of water. We are going to set up the sauna and we're clocking it, so it has to be below 30 minutes. First thing, we put the stove, and then we start with this frame. Because the wire has to go under the frame, okay? So that's the frame. Next thing, don't forget to put your straps. Through these things. It has to go under, and it goes in. Next, we start with the paddles. The back one. Make sure you slide the oil. Should go easy. Oops. Make this noise. There we go. Once it goes into the holes, everything should fit perfectly. One is down. There you go. Next is the front panel. So we know the one with the hinge. It's pretty easy to figure out. Right. Second. There you go. As simple as that. And just try to find the holes. Should fit inside pretty easily. Give it a nice shot. Perfecto. A longer part goes in the front, shorter in the back. One. Two. Everything in place. Front, short in the back. All right. So now the structure doesn't hold. It's moving like this. So that's where the straps come in handy. And we'll have to put the top. Let's do the top. Top part. So we got three. Il s'est brisé un peu. Bon. Okay. We had a little technical problem because it's too tight, and that we need to think about it. Okay. So let's remove this. Make sure everything is nice and tight. It has to be equal. Okay. So for the next panels, we fix them with metal things, metal clamps. All right. Away it goes. Put a clamp here. Oh, okay. 3 clamps on each side to hold the rest of the panels that go down. These are easier. I think it's okay. 1, 2. Let me put this one here. 2, 3. This is easy. Okay, there we go. So now we put the straps. Close the window, the door, and we have to come with the straps. Okay. So oh, welcome. So let's put it back as much as we can. Let's see. leave space. Maybe push it this way. Isolation. So there is aluminum. This is a sandwich. Aluminum inside. Cotton on the inside. Inside there. And something for the rain. On the outside. So first impression is that we still need to do better insulation in the inside, and I do have some solutions, but I think it's gonna get very hot inside. The glass, a certain way fits better. It's not perfectly round. Roundabout. Go. Hello, anybody in? Need to sound a little bit. So let's see. Okay. And last thing, put the rocks inside. This whole technique have to be distributed well around you cannot use a sauna without rocks, otherwise it eats too much. Chair. The way we put the chairs is we can crisscross them, or we can put them like that too, or crisscross, because we can look at each other. Okay, so you go like this. 1, 2. All right.
And this is how we assemble the Sensorica portable sauna that fits into a little pile like that. And then it can be easily fitted into just a normal car and transported to the next location. Thank you for watching.